This is a scale distance of our planet.
Our journey begins at the Sun. With a surface temperature of over 15 million degrees Celsius, it is the hottest place in our solar system. A day on the Sun is 25.4 Earth days. The Sun has a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers. Next, we move to Mercury. Mercury is 58 million kilometers from the Sun and has a surface temperatures ranging from 390 degrees Celsius to negative 170 degrees Celsius. A year on Mercury lasts 2.9 Earth months, and a day lasts 1.9 Earth months. Mercury is a solid planet similar to our moon. The diameter of Mercury is 4,880 kilometers. Next, we start to travel to Venus. "108 million kilometers from the Sun, Venus has average surface temperatures of 475 degrees Celsius. A year on Venus is equal to 7.4 of our months, and a day lasts 8 months. Venus is a solid planet where it is commonplace for sulfuric acid rains. Venus has a diameter of 12,100 kilometers. Now, we begin to travel to a familiar planet. "150 million kilometers from the Sun, our home planet's average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. An Earth year is 12 months, and an Earth day is 24 hours. Earth is a solid and liquid planet where the only life in our solar system resides. Our planet has a diameter of 12,756 kilometers. Now we start to travel towards Mars. This planet is 228 million kilometers from the Sun. Mars has an average temperature of negative 30 degrees Celsius. A year on Mars is 22.3 Earth months, and a day is 24.6 hours. Mars is a solid planet that people believe once might have hosted life. Mars has a diameter of 6,790 kilometers. Now we begin to travel to Jupiter. "778 million kilometers from the Sun, Jupiter has an average surface temperature of negative 145 degrees Celsius. A Jupiter year is 11.9 Earth years, and a day on Jupiter is 9.8 hours. Jupiter is a gaseous planet with a storm called the Great Red Spot that has been raging for about 400 years. With a diameter of 143,000 kilometers, it's the largest planet in our solar system. Now we continue our journey towards Saturn. 1,430 million kilometers from the Sun. This gaseous planet's years last 29.5 years on Earth, and a day on Saturn is 10.2 hours long. The average surface temperatures of this planet are from negative 173 degrees Celsius to negative 113 degrees Celsius. Recognizable due to its ring, it has a diameter of 120,000 kilometers. This planet's rings are made of multiple elements, including ice and meteor. Next, we continue our journey and move to Uranus. As we arrive in Uranus, 2,870 million kilometers from the Sun, a year on this planet lasts 84 years on Earth, and a day on this planet lasts 17.2 hours. The surface temperature on this gaseous planet averages negative 224 degrees Celsius. The diameter of Uranus is 51,100 kilometers. Now we travel to Neptune. Neptune is 4,490 million kilometers from the Sun and has a diameter of 49,500 kilometers. A year on this planet lasts 165 Earth years, and a day lasts 16.1 hours. Neptune is a gaseous planet with surface temperatures of negative 218 degrees. Finally, we make our journey to our final destination, Pluto. This journey might last a while.
The spaceship that we are traveling in has been damaged and we must stop for repairs.
5,900 kilometers from the Sun and at a surface temperature of negative 200 degrees Celsius, Pluto is a solid dwarf planet where a year lasts 248 of our years and a day lasts 6.4 Earth days. Pluto is the smallest object we have encountered in our journey so far. This used to be known as a planet, but since got changed into a dwarf planet. This concludes our journey through our solar system. Goodbye.